Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Happy Swing by NKS. This is Kanika Jasoria. So today I am here to teach you a simple beginner drawing. Okay, so we will draw today an owl. Okay, so step by step we'll just make a circle. I prefer don't use a compass, but still if you are not able to draw, you can use, right now I am doing with pencil. We will do marker afterwards. Okay, so that this is the body of an owl. Okay, if you are not able to see, I just want to highlight with the marker. Okay, so that you can see, and later on we can erase the pencil. Okay, hope you all can see now. Okay, now what we will just make a circle, like it's a moon which has hidden just because of owl. Okay, now we will make tree. Tree branch. Okay, and one more. In this way we will make our branch. Okay, now just simply tail. Okay, and we will make some flowers, simple flowers, not a difficult one, because today I am teaching you a beginner's drawing, so kids can make easily. Okay, fine. This is simple, just in this way. Okay, so that kids can make easily and they will enjoy. Okay, now here we will draw a tree. In this way. Okay, fine. Now we will make owl's body. Inside the body we will make a design. Okay, and you need to just give a same curve here. And the designing, simple designing we will give, not a complicated one. Okay, simple designing we will give. Okay, now you can make V, right? Okay, now most important part is face gestures, right? Now what you need to do is just make a circle in this way and one more circle in this way, and this one you was black dot inside it, big dot, big circle, and one more time we will do this. Okay, and you can make stars, simple stars. Okay, now let's do coloring. For coloring I will use yellow ochre. Now for shading I will use dark brown. Number of dark brown color is 101 in oil pastel. Now it's very simple, we will do the coloring, shading. Just giving a lines. Small shading here. And here. One side stroke we will follow. Only one side stroke we need to do. See, only I am doing one side stroke. Keep remember this thing. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends, family. Subscribe my channel. So our owl is ready. Now we will do coloring in tree. Tree is also very simple. First I will do the corner part. I am using green, dark green. The number is 102. Just rub your oil pastel color so that it will give a effect of bushes. Automatically it will give a 3D effect. Okay, till here I have used dark green color. Now I will use light green color. The number of light green color is leaf green. Name is leaf green 233. In same manner we will complete our tree. Now it's a time to do the trunk. This one, branches with the brown color, 0 to 8. Yes, now for flowers. These are the berries. You can do red color, pink color, whatever. And now I will do silver color in stars along with giving a shine because it's a night scene. Similarly, we will cover moon. So our drawing is ready. Please try to draw it and don't forget to comment, like, and please subscribe my channel for more and more update. Thank you for watching us.